Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and let me share this cool outdoor solar light from GUYULUX. Now, I wanted to install a solar light that looks at my fence, as my dog often sees a lot of critters on it, and this is absolutely what I wanted. It's bright, adjustable, and it shines the light so bright at my fence at night. This wards off the critters and keeps my dog from staring at the fence for hours. Now, I really like that I can point it in 2 different directions, and assembly for it took less than 5 minutes, and it comes with a stake to put in the ground. It's so easy, and I can move it to wherever I want. I love that it's solar, another feature that just makes it so self-sufficient and easy to use. It charged up super quick. It was shining the first night that I installed it, and I installed it in the evening. So if you are looking for an extra backyard light, I really recommend this light, and that is my point of view.